Have you been feeling more tired than usual? Is your hair thinning, or are you catching every cold that goes around? These could be signs of zinc deficiency, a common problem, especially after the age of 40. We often associate vitamins like D and C with overall health, but zinc plays a crucial role too. From boosting immunity to keeping your hair and skin healthy, zinc is a mineral your body relies on. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of zinc, the warning signs of deficiency, and what you can do to make sure you're getting enough. Let's get started. Zinc often gets overlooked, but it's essential for over 300 enzyme processes in your body. This trace mineral plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions that are vital for maintaining good health. Despite its importance, many people are unaware of how much their bodies rely on zinc to function properly. That means it's involved in everything from cell growth and repair to immune function. Zinc helps your cells grow and divide, ensuring that your body can heal wounds and regenerate tissues efficiently. It also supports your immune system, helping to fend off illnesses and infections, and even your sense of taste and smell. Without adequate zinc, you might find that your ability to taste and smell diminishes, affecting your enjoyment of food and your overall quality of life. Think of zinc as a vital cog in a well-oiled machine. Just like how a machine needs all its parts to work smoothly, your body needs zinc to keep everything running efficiently. When your zinc levels are optimal, your body can function at its best. You'll feel more energetic, your immune system will be stronger, and your overall health will improve. But when levels dip, you might start to notice some unwanted changes. These can include fatigue, weakened immunity, and even skin issues. It's a sign that your body is not getting the zinc it needs. After 40, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing nutrients, and zinc is no exception. This decline means that older adults need to be particularly vigilant about their zinc intake to maintain their health. This is why it's crucial to be mindful of your zinc intake as you age. Ensuring you get enough zinc through diet or supplements can help you stay healthy and vibrant, even as you get older. Zinc deficiency often sneaks up on you, and it's more common than you might think. This essential mineral is involved in numerous bodily functions, from immune response to DNA synthesis. Yet many people don't realize they're not getting enough. It can manifest in many ways, and sometimes we brush off the signs as just part of getting older. But these symptoms can affect anyone, regardless of age. But don't ignore these potential red flags. Early detection can make a big difference in managing your health, feeling constantly fatigued, even after a good night's sleep. This could be more than just stress or a busy lifestyle. Zinc plays a role in energy production, so low levels can leave you feeling drained. It's like trying to run a car on an empty tank. Noticing more hair in your brush than usual? This isn't just a cosmetic issue. Zinc is crucial for hair growth and follicle health. Without it, your hair can become weak and brittle. Deficiency can lead to hair loss or thinning, which can be distressing and impact your self-esteem. Are you getting sick more often? Frequent colds and infections might be more than just bad luck. Zinc is a key player in immune function. It helps your body fight off invaders and stay healthy. If you're constantly battling colds or infections, it could be a sign your body is lacking this essential mineral. Your immune system needs zinc to function optimally. Other signs include slow wound healing, which can be particularly concerning if you have cuts or injuries that take longer than usual to get better. Loss of taste or smell can also be a symptom. This can affect your enjoyment of food and your overall quality of life. And even skin issues like acne or eczema can be linked to zinc deficiency. Healthy skin relies on a balance of nutrients, including zinc. Remember, these symptoms can also indicate other health problems, so it's always best to consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Don't self-diagnose. Get professional advice to ensure you're on the right track. Now that we know the signs, let's uncover what leads to zinc deficiency in the first place. One major culprit is poor nutrient absorption, which, as we discussed, becomes more common with age. Another factor is our diet. Are you eating enough zinc-rich foods? We'll dive into those in just a bit. But first, let's talk about medications. Certain medications, like some used to treat chronic conditions, can interfere with zinc absorption. And of course, we can't forget about the natural aging process. As we get older, our bodies simply become less efficient at absorbing and utilizing essential nutrients like zinc. The good news is that addressing zinc deficiency is often very manageable. With a few simple changes, you can significantly improve your zinc intake and overall health. Let's talk about how you can increase your intake and support your body's zinc levels. It's easier than you might think and can be quite enjoyable. First and foremost, focus on incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet. Fresh, wholesome foods are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Foods like oysters are packed with zinc, making them an excellent choice for boosting your intake. But don't worry if you're not a fan. There are plenty of other options to choose from. Other great sources include red meat, which is not only rich in zinc but also provides high-quality protein. Poultry, beans, nuts and whole grains are also excellent choices. These foods are versatile and can be easily incorporated into your daily meals. If you're concerned about your zinc levels, talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs. They can run a simple blood test to check and recommend a zinc supplement if needed. This can be particularly helpful if dietary changes alone aren't enough. Supplements can be a helpful way to bridge the gap and ensure you're meeting your daily requirements. But remember, food first. Supplements should complement, not replace, a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in whole foods is always the foundation of good health. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be staples in your diet, and don't underestimate the power of a healthy lifestyle. Managing stress, getting enough sleep, and maintaining a positive outlook can all enhance your body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients. Staying active is also crucial. Regular exercise not only improves your overall well-being but also supports better nutrient absorption. So take these steps today and start feeling your best. We've covered a lot today about zinc and its importance for our health, especially as we age. Remember, feeling your best starts from within. By paying attention to your body's needs and taking proactive steps, you can make a real difference in your overall well-being. Don't ignore the signs of zinc deficiency. Talk to your doctor, explore zinc-rich foods, and consider a supplement if needed. But most importantly, remember that knowledge is power. The more you understand about your body and how to support it, the better equipped you'll be to live a long, healthy, and vibrant life. So there you have it. Now you know just how important zinc is for your health and how to make sure you're getting enough. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating more zinc-rich foods into your diet and talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. Your health is an investment, not an expense. Taking care of yourself today is the best gift you can give yourself for a brighter tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos on how to live your healthiest life.